Let me be honest with you for a second. If you're living in the USA right now, everything feels expensive. Rent is high, groceries are up, gas prices hurt, bills never stop, and somehow one paycheck disappears faster than ever before. A lot of people are working full-time jobs and still feeling broke. That's the reality nobody likes to talk about. And if you're depending on only one source of income in 2026, that can be risky. One layoff, one emergency, one bad month, and suddenly life gets stressful fast. That's why smart people are no longer asking, how do I work more hours? They're asking, how do I make money even when I'm not working? And that's exactly what this video is about. Today I'm going to share genuine, realistic passive income ideas and side hustles that people in the USA can start right now. No fake guru nonsense. No overnight millionaire promises. No scam tricks. Just real methods ordinary people are using to earn extra income online and offline. Some can start with zero money. Some take time. Some can grow into full businesses. But every single one can move you closer to freedom if you stay consistent. First, let's clear something up. Passive income does not mean money from doing nothing. That's a lie people sell online. Real passive income usually needs work first, then it pays later. You plant now, harvest later. A side hustle usually means active effort now for extra money now. Passive income means building something once that keeps paying repeatedly. The smartest move is to combine both. Use a side hustle to create extra cash today. Then turn that cash into passive income tomorrow. That's how normal people slowly escape paycheck to paycheck life. Let's start with one of the most realistic options in 2026, digital products. This is exploding because once you create a digital product once, it can sell again and again. Think templates, planners, resume designs, budgeting spreadsheets, wedding invitation templates, study notes, printable wall art, meal planners, business checklists, social media caption packs, or niche guides. If you know how to use Canva, Google Docs, or Excel, you already have enough tools to begin. Let's say you make a budgeting spreadsheet for young adults in America trying to save money. You upload it on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. One product can sell multiple times while you sleep. Will it happen overnight? No. But can it become real monthly income? Absolutely, especially if you solve a real problem. Now let's talk about a side hustle. Almost everyone can start. Freelance services. A lot of people think freelancing means being an expert. Wrong. Businesses need simple tasks done every day. Writing captions, editing short videos, basic graphic design, customer support, data entry, voiceovers, thumbnail creation, email cleanup, appointment setting, social media posting. If you can learn one useful skill and become reliable, you can get paid. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and direct outreach on LinkedIn make this easier than ever. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to offer 10 services. Offer one thing clearly. Example: I edit short form, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts videos for coaches. That sounds stronger than saying, I do everything. Another powerful move in 2026 is print on demand. This is where you create designs for t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, journals, phone cases, tote bags, and other products. When someone buys, the supplier prints and ships it. You don't hold inventory. You don't pack boxes. You focus on ideas and marketing. The trick here is niche targeting. Don't make random shirts. Make products for specific communities. Nurses, dog moms, pickleball players, teachers, veterans, new dads, funny accountant shirts. People buy identity-based products. If you understand a niche, you can win. Now here's something underrated. Local service side hustles. Everybody runs online because it sounds sexy, but local money can be faster. Think junk removal, pressure washing, window cleaning, dog walking, mobile car detailing, lawn care, furniture assembly, trash bin cleaning, house cleaning, moving help, senior tech setup, or hanging TVS. Many people in the USA are too busy and happy to pay for convenience. You can start with basic tools, build reputation, then scale with referrals. Some people make more doing weekend local services than people. Making fancy content online. Let's talk content creation, but realistically, you do not need millions of followers. In fact, small creators are making money every day. YouTube channels, TikTok pages, Instagram theme pages, newsletters, and niche blogs can earn through affiliate links, ads, sponsorships, and digital products. Example: a YouTube channel reviewing budget kitchen tools, a TikTok page about cheap healthy meals, a newsletter about side hustles in Texas, a blog helping people improve credit scores. Small audiences with strong trust often earn more than large audiences with weak trust. Focus on usefulness, not fame. Speaking of affiliate marketing, this one still works if done honestly. Affiliate income means recommending products or services and earning commission when someone buys through your link. But please don't become the annoying person spamming random links. That fails. Real affiliate success comes from solving beer questions. Example: best laptops for college students under $700. Best standing desks for small apartments. Best budgeting apps for couples. If your content helps people make decisions, affiliate links can generate consistent income. Now let's talk one of the strongest wealth builders: dividend investing. This is not a get-rich-fast method. It is slow, boring, and powerful. When you buy shares of certain companies or ETFs, they may pay dividends regularly. That means cash paid to shareholders, reinvested over time. This can snowball. Even small monthly investing matters. The key is consistency, not trying to look smart. Many people waste years chasing hype instead of quietly building ownership. Another smart 2026 option is selling knowledge. You don't need to be world famous to teach something useful. Can you help people pass a test, learn Excel, improve resumes, cook healthy meals, lose weight after pregnancy, speak conversational English, learn guitar basics, use AI tools for work? People pay for shortcuts. You can coach one-on-one, run group sessions, create mini courses, or sell guides. If you are one step ahead of someone else, you can help them. Let me give you something people ignore: reselling. This is still real money. People constantly undervalue items locally: furniture, electronics, collectibles, tools, sneakers, appliances, bikes, gaming gear. You buy low from garage sales, Facebook Marketplace, thrift stores, estate sales, and sell higher. Some people make thousands monthly doing this part-time. The secret is learning categories. Don't buy random stuff. Learn one lane deeply. Here's another modern opportunity: AI-assisted services. In 2026 businesses, no AI exists, but many still don't know how to use it properly. That creates demand. You can help small businesses create content calendars, automate customer replies, write email sequences, summarize meetings, improve product descriptions, create ad ideas, build lead magnets, and save time using AI tools. You don't need to be a coder. You need to understand problems and use tools efficiently. Now I want to be honest about mindset. Most people quit too early. They try one side hustle for 2 weeks, make $0, and conclude it doesn't work. But they gave years to a job they dislike. Side hustles need time. Skill takes time. Trust takes time. Search engines take time. Reviews take time. Momentum takes time. If you start something genuine and stick with it longer than most people, you already gain an advantage. Let's talk how to choose the right hustle for you. Ask 3 questions. First, what skills do I already have? Second, what problems can I solve for people? Third, what can I stay consistent with for 6 months? Because the best side hustle is not the trendiest one. It's the one you won't quit. If you hate social media, don't force content creation. If you hate dealing with customers, maybe digital products fit better. If you like movement, local services may be perfect. Match the model to your personality. Here's a simple beginner plan. If you need money fast, start a service hustle. Services pay quickest. If you want future leverage, start content or digital products. If you want long-term stability, invest profits into assets. This is how levels work. Service creates cash flow. Assets create freedom. Too many people try to skip the first step. Now let's discuss mistakes. First mistake: buying expensive courses before earning your first dollar. You usually need action more than information. Second mistake: chasing 10 hustles at once. Pick one and focus. Third mistake, expecting passive income immediately. Build first, receive later. Fourth mistake, copying others without understanding why they succeed. Fifth mistake, quitting because growth is slow. Slow growth can still become life-changing growth. A powerful move in the USA right now is combining a job with one focused side income stream. Imagine your salary covers basics, your side hustle covers debt payoff or investing. Suddenly stress drops. Then once debt is gone, that same side income buys assets. Then assets begin paying you. This is how ordinary people create extraordinary progress. Let's say you make an extra $500 a month. Many people dismiss that. Huge mistake. $500 monthly can pay debt faster. Build an emergency fund, cover groceries, invest into index funds, or fund tools for a business. Then maybe it becomes $1,000. Then $2,000. Most income streams start small. Respect small beginnings. Another truth, your first side hustle may not be your forever business. That's okay. Maybe freelancing funds your investing. Maybe reselling teaches sales. Maybe content creation builds confidence. Maybe dog walking introduces local clients who need other services. Every hustle teaches something valuable. And please remember this: protect your main income while building extra income. Don't sabotage rent money chasing risky schemes. Avoid anything promising guaranteed returns, crypto miracle flips, secret automation cash, or easy passive money. If it sounds magical, it's usually designed to separate you from your money. If I was starting from zero in the USA today, I'd do this. I'd learn one monetizable skill like editing, copywriting, design, appointment setting, or local service sales. I'd use nights and weekends to get first clients. I'd keep expenses low. I'd invest part of profits monthly. I'd build simple content around the journey. Then I'd turn knowledge gained into digital products later. That path is boring but real. The biggest difference between people who stay stuck and people who get ahead is not intelligence. It's ownership mindset. Employees trade time for money. Owners build systems, skills, assets, audiences, or relationships that keep paying. Even if you keep your job, start thinking like an owner. So here's the bottom line, friend. In 2026, making money online in the USA is possible, but only if you stop looking for shortcuts and start building something useful. You don't need to be famous. You don't need rich parents. You don't need a perfect plan. You need consistency, patience, and willingness to be bad at first. Pick one path. Start messy. Learn fast. Improve weekly. Stay longer than most people. Because 1 year from now, you can either still be saying I need more money, or you can have an extra income stream changing your life quietly in the background. And trust me, that quiet extra income feels better than looking rich ever will. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Income results are not guaranteed and may vary based on effort, skills, experience, and market conditions. Always do your own research before making financial decisions.